Hello everyone, welcome back to the Little Matilda Atelier. I'm Filipa, as you guys know. Sorry about my voice. I've been with cold for the past few days. Yesterday I was in bed all day, which is not usual for me. And because even when I'm sick, I'm usually out and about, but it hit me really hard and I have to stay in bed all afternoon. Still, I'm here with two neurofans. So, because I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys. Yes, I have a new girl. She's been waiting for a few days in here. Bless her. Still in her box. I'm sorry, Cecilia. It's not that I didn't want to open her. I do. I really do. But opening a new doll is a special moment for me. And because all the fuzzy with the kids lately, with Matilda starting nursery and everything, with the boys and the house chores, everything, it got really busy lately, and I didn't have the time to enjoy opening a new girl, so I left her for today. I knew that today I was going to have about 20 minutes for myself because Matilda's taking a nap and the boys are out with my husband. They went for cycling for a little bit, and so I have time to make this unboxing video for you guys. So let's start. I'm so excited. Forgot to mention that she's from Cecilia Fioravanti, from Jolly Roger Dolls. Cecilia makes gorgeous dolls and also teddy bears. Teddy bears that I love so much. I really love teddy bears. And I will definitely get one from her very soon, because they are super cute and they are perfect friends for our girls. So I don't want to cut it because I want to use this ribbon. So I'm trying to be very, very careful so that I don't. Yes. Okay, so has a note. It says, "Thank you so much, my dear. I hope you will enjoy with your new girl, Cecilia." Thank you, Cecilia. I'm sure that I will. And I will glue this on my bullet journal. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Sorry. Oh my god! Oh, Cecilia, you just made my day. Thank you. She's gorgeous. I know, guys. Sorry, I'm a little bit. Sorry, I'm an awkward human being. So, oh my god, she's so gorgeous, guys. Oh, look. Oh my god. gorgeous. I'm sorry. Oh, I love her hair. Look at her hair. She's even more gorgeous in person. Look. I really treasure these little girls that are made special for me. And oh, she's so cute. I'm going to name her Cecilia. Yes. Oh, look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh my god. She's super cute. Beautiful pull strings. She has some galaxy eyelids. Look. Oh. I'm in love. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh my god, I'm speechless. She's super gorgeous, Cecilia. Thank you. See the back. Oh, for Filipa, thank you. And she also made her dress. She makes some gorgeous little dresses. And the boots, look at the boots. And now I have to show you guys her friend, her little bad friend. Oh my goodness, look. Super, super cute. I'm in love. Oh. Cecilia, you made my day. It was a pleasure doing a trade with you. Thank you so, so much. I might be looking for the... It was totally worth waiting to open her today. Believe me. Thank you. She's gorgeous. Her mouth is... She's so cute. Thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. And thank you so much for the 111 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do give me your thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, it means so much to me. And you know that I love you guys. And I really enjoy making these videos for you. So please leave me a comment. And yeah, have a lovely weekend. And I'll speak to you in my next video. Bye.